Hey guys, Alicia here. I'm gonna dive right into it in this video. In the last one we got to where we had our theme installed, and in this one I'm just gonna walk you through how to install a Restored 316 she's got these, the demo content is what she calls it. I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna follow her, I'm just going to show you how we're going to do this. Okay, I'm on Restored 316 where you search for you have theme documentation and then you find the one that you're looking for, and this is the refined theme. And then I went to, here we go. You click on the refined theme. There's a list, so there's all of her themes. And then here I clicked on the quick start guide, and then I clicked on once I already have my theme installed. Okay. I'm gonna go to Tools, Import. So I'm gonna show you this. I just have hers up for reference. Okay, so here, when you first install a theme, I remember when I first did this, and I saw, you see the beautiful demo site, right? It's so pretty. You're like, yeah, you want that theme? I will never forget. I like bought it, like, oh, I'm like spending money on this. So I like bought the theme, and then I like figured out, I put it in, and then my site looked like this, and I was just like, and then I looked around and found her tutorials, which her site is good, but I want to make it even just quicker and easier and accessible for you, and just, even if you haven't done this or if you don't know what to do, just show you like, here's what it can look like. So we're going to exit customize. We'll still come back to that. But to really get a jump start on the, alright, we're going to go to Tools, and then I click on Import, and then I'm going to click on WordPress, Install Now, and then Run Importer. And so now I'm going to come back over her thing, and it says Run Importer. Choose the, alright, we're going to choose the sample XML file. Okay, that is, let me think how to show this to you. I don't actually know if I don't remember if I need to extract it. I think I can just open it. Nope, okay. I have to, alright, I am opening it. Here, let me show you. I opened this on my computer. Yeah, now you can see that. Okay. I found it on my computer. I'm clicking extract all. Okay. In a zipped file is where, in order to share a big file or a bunch of files that add up to a lot, you can zip it, which is just, it does a, I don't actually know that part, but it like encrypts it, or I don't know the right word. It makes the data all fit into a smaller size, and then you just have to extract it, which means like put it, now that you've gotten the file from somebody, right? I downloaded it from her site, so now I have to extract it and tell my computer to reprocess it and open it back up so I can use it. Okay, so I'm gonna click extract. And so now I've got this regular file that I can open. So when you download it, it's zipped, and you leave it like that. Those are the files that we put up when we installed our theme. And if you want to change your theme, you can get the new zipped file and then add it and then activate it. Okay, so I've just come in here, I found my theme, I've done extract all. Now I'm going to come back over here, and she told us to get the sample XML file, where she created a file that you can put up so that you can pull that in and see, basically import her demo site. Make your homepage look like her demo site, and then you can see all the pieces, and then you just start changing things. So I'm going to go to Refined, and I'm going to open up the folder. Okay, I'm gonna go to the XML file because it's a folder, it's XML file. Okay, see, in the XML folder is, you see this? Yeah. Let me move this down. Okay, here, I'm in the XML folder that I opened, right, for her theme. Now I'm gonna click on sample, which is an XML document, and open it. Okay, so choose file, it's pulled this in, upload file and import. And you're gonna change this to be you. And I'm going to download and import the file attachments. That means that if it had, if she had pretty pictures, okay, so some of the pretty pictures aren't gonna come in because the links are broken or something. Okay, so now let's go back to appearance where we started and see what we've got to work with. No, hopefully it was magical like it's supposed to be. Okay, so her pictures didn't come in like it did when I did it, but that's okay. I will mock that up so that we can see. Okay, so where we were last time, I was talking about site identity is here. Alright, so let's change the colors. If you want to do your colors, what's cool here is you can just play with them and you can see, let's say I want my colors to be blue. Oh no, I don't want to change that color. Just kidding. Main text color, no. Okay, I want to change the link color to a blue. And so now anything that's a link is going to look blue, right? And then let's say I want to change the button background color to be like a different blue, right? So that changes it over here. That's not a very good color. Let's go. So this is where you would do your branding and figure out your pictures. If you have colors, then you can get that like number that you actually have and put that number for the color in here if you want it to be exactly a certain color. So, and then this is where background. So when you have your buttons and when you hover, like when you hover, this changes to a different color. I'll show you this in some things are harder to like make up because I'm not actually like, I don't actually have my plan for this site. I just like the idea. I might come back and do that when I've got the images, but you can change the different colors. Okay, sorry, cancel. I don't want to click on this X. Don't click on this X if you've got stuff you want to save. I wanted to scroll back up. See, I had to scroll back up to find my little caret to go back to this menu. So this is my main menu. I can look at these different things. My menu, my navigation, I can say where I want to show. Okay, so here we go. Here's how you, this is one of those things, I don't know if I should chop up some of these videos and make small things, like how to do your navigation, because I had trouble with that. But, so here, I've got my primary navigation, and so I can pick, do I want it to be here or here? Let's say I want it to be in this spot, and then I could go back to my secondary navigation, and then I could say I want to put that above the header, right? And so then if I like these changes, I can hit publish at any point. And as soon as you've got stuff that you want to save that you don't want to go away, you should hit publish. Now I'm going to go back and, you know, let's go ahead and add some pictures to make this fun. I'm going to go to posts and let me think. I'm still figuring out what to put in different videos. Alright, let's talk about widgets, and then I will get some images ready and then come back to do another one. So where we just were in appearance, you can change how things look. I really like this for how to organize things. Okay, so let's say you can click up here. I'm going to click visit site. I'm going to right click, do view a new tab, so then I can come over here and see, you know, what I'm doing. And now say I want to rearrange the sidebar and move something, you know, above something else or add something. I can come over to the sidebar and simply move things and say, oh, I want my categories to be up here, and I don't want to show my archives in the sidebar, and I don't want to show the meta, and I'm going to put my search below my categories, for example. As soon as you just move those, now I can come back here and click to refresh the page, and now we can see over here, now I've got my categories at the top, and then the search, and then I removed that other spot. So yeah, alright, I'm going to start a new video and go and talk about Energy for Moms that I've already got set up. And then I will get some images and I will come back and we will play with this a little bit more, and I'll show you how to set up some things like the social menu.